Good morning, everybody. Holistic Travel Guy here. It's about 3 a.m. I'm still suffering the effects of jet lag. Just waking up randomly, many hours of the night. Checked in yesterday at my new hotel, Anya. This is still considered downtown Bangkok. It's in the Sukhumvit area of Nana. And it's a beautiful hotel. Here's the main lobby. Just off to my right is the entrance to the pool. I'm going to sneak around the corner. Hopefully, I've got to talk softly because there are people sleeping around here. And I got to make sure I don't wake anybody up. This is the pool area, which is currently locked. So you can't go out to the pool in the middle of the night to wander, take a dip. Just down this hallway to the right is the breakfast area. They also are, I believe they're open for lunch and dinner as well. And the breakfast area is right over here. And right beyond the breakfast area is a nice back deck patio that overlooks one of the canals. So tomorrow I'm going to try and start to learn how to use the canals. The canal boats are a really cheap form of water taxi. So right over there is the deck to the pool. I'm not going to go out there because the camera will get soaked. But that's it. The back deck overlooking the canal. I'll do a room tour later, but that's it for the main lobby tour. There's a little bit more to the lobby beyond the front desk. I'll go over there really quick. So it's a very quiet lobby right now. Again, it's 3 a.m. And then this is the main street running by the hotel. That goes, the bridge right over to my right here goes right over that canal I mentioned. So you can see the taxis coming over the bridge. And then that main road leads down into the Sukhumvit area. All right, we'll see you later for a room tour. See you soon.